Welcome to BankBuddy.ai, where digital onboarding is built to be secure, seamless, and compliant. Our onboarding configuration brings together intelligent identity verification, a frictionless user experience, and regulatory compliance by design. Let's explore how each configuration ensures trust, speed, and scalability right from the first interaction. Product configuration in BankBuddy.ai enables seamless onboarding journeys tailored to each offering. With product categorization, accounts, loans, and cards are organized by segments like retail or corporate using unique identifiers to simplify management. Product process mapping ensures every product is linked to the right onboarding journey so customers always experience a relevant, streamlined flow. With our platform, configuring onboarding products is simple and intuitive. Here, a user selects the type of product like a bank account relevant to their onboarding journey. Next, the product is categorized by customer segment: retail, sole proprietor, or corporate, ensuring the onboarding process is tailored to the selected category. Our process configuration lets you design intelligent onboarding flows with ease. With a drag-and-drop interface, building processes becomes intuitive even for non-technical users. Each process is mapped to a specific product, ensuring a personalized and streamlined onboarding journey. And with seamless integration to external APIs, you can connect to third-party services, enhancing the journey with added intelligence and functionality. To access it, go to the onboarding module, then select Configure and click on Process Configuration. Here, you'll see a list of existing processes. Click on any process to view its details. Each process flow is built using drag-and-drop components, making it simple to customize whether it's editing, changing the route type, or removing a step. Clicking Edit opens the process flow where users can see all components in sequence. Each component can be activated or deactivated using the toggle button. In the onboarding screen list, all available components are listed. Users can easily drag new components into the flow or remove existing ones as needed, then click Save to update the configuration. The module also includes process mapping. Here, you can view configurations for both NTB, new to bank, and ETB, existing to bank, journeys. To edit a mapping, click Action and then Edit. From here, select the target type NTB or ETB, choose the product category, enter the product key, and select the mode Add, Amend, or Approve. The corresponding process name and flow will appear alongside. Users can also create their own custom mappings using the same fields: target, product category, product key, mode, and assign a process flow accordingly. Next is routing configuration, a powerful setup to control how applications are processed based on risk levels and product types. Users can configure dynamic routing flows based on risk ratings tied to specific products, ensuring the right path is followed for each scenario. Customized routing conditions can be easily set, allowing high-risk cases to be routed to a verifier or approver, while low-risk applications proceed automatically through a straight-through process. With smart routing logic, BankBuddy.ai empowers banks to manage operational risk while maintaining onboarding speed and compliance. To begin, go to Configuration, then select Routing Configuration. Here, you'll see a list of all existing route maps, each defining how onboarding flows from one stage to another. By clicking Action, then Edit, users can modify or delete a route. Each route is defined by several key components: a route category to classify the type of flow, a route condition that triggers the routing logic, an action code, such as Submit, to define what event triggers the route, and the source and destination attributes to define the start and end points. Users can also add custom routing attributes. Each attribute consists of a key, a value type, and a value, and is applied only if the routing condition is met. On the right panel, you'll see the route condition code, which defines the logic such as comparing customer types, scores, or other criteria. This ensures that routing is dynamic and context-aware. Users can also manage all routing conditions centrally. Each condition has its own unique code, and you can create a new one by specifying route condition name, route category, and the logic or code that defines the condition. To streamline setup, you can also import or export routing conditions. Download the provided template, customize the routing logic offline, and import it directly into the system. With our routing configuration, banks can design intelligent onboarding flows that respond to customer data in real time, automating routing decisions for faster, error-free processing. Our risk configuration module allows banks to define and manage risk scoring models tailored to their products and services. Users can configure risk categories and scoring parameters, assigning high, moderate, or low-risk profiles to guide decision-making flows. Configurable risk weights can be assigned to specific attributes, helping build a robust scoring logic for accurate assessments. Based on the overall risk rating, onboarding flows can be dynamically routed, for example, directing high-risk applications to additional verification, while low-risk ones follow a straight-through process. With risk configuration, BankBuddy.ai ensures secure, compliant, and intelligent customer onboarding. At the top, the dashboard displays a list of all risk categories, showing their names, types, and available actions. This allows risk teams to segment customers into predefined categories based on business rules. Users can filter the view by category name or type, making it easier to find specific entries. Each entry comes with an action button. Clicking Edit lets you modify category details like name, type, and associated weightage, which helps calculate the overall risk score. You can also create your own risk category from scratch by filling in these fields, allowing flexibility to configure business-specific risk models. Next, we have the risk parameters, which define the individual conditions contributing to a customer's risk score. Each parameter is linked to a category and includes critical values like major and minor keys, display value, risk score, and weightage. These are the actual data points like income bracket, KYC flag, or geography that contribute to the overall customer risk rating. By clicking Edit, users can update the parameter's identity and logic, adjusting risk scores and weightage values to align with updated compliance needs. To add a new parameter, users simply enter details, ensuring each parameter aligns with your institution's unique risk assessment logic. For efficiency, users can bulk import parameters using CSV templates. This is especially useful for institutions dealing with large rule sets or frequent policy changes. Templates can be downloaded, customized offline, and uploaded again, making the platform both scalable and easy to maintain. The LOV configuration module ensures standardized data entry across key fields like country names, product types, and more, minimizing manual input errors and promoting accuracy. By configuring lists of values, users can maintain consistent inputs, enhance data quality, and avoid discrepancies during onboarding and transactions. Users can easily create, edit, or import LOVs, making data management seamless and efficient across the platform. BankBuddy.ai's LOV configuration supports cleaner, more reliable data, empowering smarter operations and faster decision-making. From this dashboard, users can view all existing LOVs and filter them easily. Each entry includes important fields like major key, minor key, display value, API value, whether it is set as default, and more. By clicking on the action button, you can choose to view, edit, or delete any LOV. When editing, you'll see the project name, the major key, which controls integration logic, and the minor key, which can be left blank if not required. The display value is what users will see on the interface like a drop-down option. The API value is used internally in back-end systems for data exchange. You can also define whether this option is the default choice, and optionally link a URL if the value is dynamically sourced. For bulk updates, users can import or export LOVs using a CSV template, making management efficient and scalable. To create a new LOV, just enter the major key, minor key if any, display value, API value, and mark if it should be default. This ensures consistency and reusability across forms and workflows. Branch configuration ensures precise control over RM responsibilities within the onboarding process. Each relationship manager can be assigned specific product types, ensuring they only onboard customers for products relevant to their role. Similarly, branches can be assigned to individual RMs, limiting onboarding activity to their designated branch locations. The RM profile captures all essential details: assigned products, branch allocations, contact information, and user credentials, enabling clear visibility and effective role-based access control. With branch configuration, you streamline onboarding while maintaining accuracy, accountability, and compliance. On the dashboard, users can view a complete staff list and use filters to quickly locate specific agents based on various criteria. Each staff entry clearly shows which branch the RM is assigned to, ensuring transparency and easy oversight. Users can also add new agents or branches. In the Branches section, you can filter existing branches by name, type, or branch code. To create a new branch, simply fill in the branch name, type the code, and any additional details. Once submitted, the information enters an approval workflow. This is managed through a maker-checker process to ensure proper governance before a branch becomes active in the system. Once approved, users can assign the created branch to the desired RM based on operational needs or territory alignment. Thank you for exploring BankBuddy.ai's onboarding configuration modules with us. From seamless process design to intelligent routing and risk-based decisioning, BankBuddy.ai empowers financial institutions to deliver secure, efficient, and personalized onboarding journeys. We look forward to helping you transform your customer experience through smart automation and configurable workflows. Thank you for watching.